Hello friends, welcome to Route 360. Today I'm going to talk about life of Atlantic puffin. Where does the name of Atlantic puffins come from? Puffins have also been called clown of the ocean and sea parrot because of their clown-like facial markings and colorful beak. The puffin's scientific name, Fratercula arctica, dates back to the last of half of the 18,000s. This name means little brother of the north in Latin. What do Atlantic puffins look like? Atlantic puffins are very distinctive small black and white birds with stocky bodies and short wings adapted for swimming. Their wingspan is 19 to 25 inch. In summer, their broad triangular beaks and legs are bright orange, but in the winter, following the end of the breeding season, they dull to gray color. Where do Atlantic puffins live? Atlantic puffins are found across the North Atlantic Ocean, from the east coast of Canada and America to Western Europe and Russia. They spend entire winters at sea without coming into land and rest by sitting on the surface of the water. In summer between April and August, puffins come in to breed on rocky cliffs and in burrows on grass banks. What do Atlantic puffins eat? Puffins are pelagic seabirds that feed mainly on small fish such as sand eels, hake, herrings, caplings, and sand lance. The exact diet varies between colonies, true, though, and depends on which fish are found around the breeding area. Puffins dive 200 feet in search of fish, with dive usually lasting 20 to 30 seconds, but up to a minute is possible. They are unusual in that they have stones and spines on their upper palates, which enables them to carry multiple fish at a time, usually up to 10 sand eels in any one feeding trip. This means they can carry more foods for their young and feed them without a need for regurgitations. How to find their life partner? Puffins are monogamous, mating with the same partner year after year. They reach sexual maturity and start reproducing at around 5 years old and lay one egg per year. When do Atlantic puffins give birth to cubes? Puffins nest in big colonies on coastal cliffs and islands, laying eggs in rock crevices or nest in grass bank burrows, which can be around 2 to 3 feet long, are dug by using their sharp claws and beaks before being lined with a mix of soft feather and grass. Once the female has laid her egg, the male and female take it in turn to incubate it for around 36 to 45 days. Once fledged, baby puffins take to the oceans and remain there for 2 to 3 years before returning to land to nest. Atlantic puffins sociable. Atlantic puffins are very sociable birds. They interact regularly through many behaviors. They nest in colonies where several pairs have nest close together. What are the amazing characteristics of Atlantic puffins? 60% of the world's puffins breed on the ice. A puffin's beak changes color during the year. Puffins don't make nests, they dig holes. The female puffin only lays one egg each spring. Live around 20 years. The puffins is an excellent swimmer. They use their wings to fly underwater while using their feet to control directions. Puffins are incredible divers and can reach depths of 60 meters on their journey to look for food. What predators do Atlantic puffins have? The greatest natural predator of the puffins is the great black-backed gull. This gull can catch adult puffins in mid-air. The great black-backed gull will circle high above a puffin colony and pick out a solitary puffin and catch it from behind by dive bombing the unwary puffin. How we protect them? One way to lessen your impact on puffins and many other species is to stop using single-use plastics such as straws, plastic bottles, and carrier bags. If you want to go one step further, you could even organize a clean up of your own local beach. Hello friends, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see important videos from my channel. Have a nice day.